So communication from Quiet Village Landscaping is absolutely top-notch and amazing. It's one of the reasons I stick with them. Their text message system is great. They text you the day before they're coming just to give you a heads up, ask you if there's anything particular that you need. They're great at corresponding via email and in our busy lives. That's huge. I get so many compliments on my planters and our yard. It always looks amazing. The planters always flow with the flowers that are in the ground. And it feels really good to get those compliments from your neighbors about how beautiful your planters are. It's also nice to pull up to our house and see that beauty. It really feels like when Quiet Village is putting a plan together for our yard, they're really thinking about that they live here too. Now that we have worked together for so long, and Michelle and the Quiet Village Landscaping team understands our family needs, it's almost seamless. I don't really have to ask for things anymore. We've worked together so long, we have such a great relationship and collaboration working. It's really seamless. Quiet Village Landscaping doesn't end up on my to-do list because they've already done it. They're proactive, they're on top of it, they're caring, and most importantly, anyone that comes here that's in my yard is friendly and kind.